Alright, being YouTube famous, chances are you're probably not YouTube famous because you wouldn't be watching this video then. But I'm not going to tell you in this video how you can become YouTube famous, what the golden rules are, what you have to do, what you shouldn't do on YouTube. Just do your thing on YouTube and see ya. No, just kidding. No, but becoming YouTube famous, it takes hard work and dedication. Everyone says that, and that's really true. You have to hang in there. If you're making videos because you want to be famous, then you should stop making videos because the content won't be really good and you will just be making clickbait titles and stuff. But if you love making videos, just post them online and you will get views, guaranteed. You will have one video. You just need that one video. You need that one video that will be an amazing video. That one video will be so good. A lot of people will watch it and you'll gain subs, you'll gain views, you'll gain momentum, and then you need to keep going on that one video. I had like 20 subscribers when I got a fidget cube in my house. I ordered a fidget cube from Ansi Labs, from Kickstarter, and I made a comparison video. Real versus fake fidget cube. And in one day, it got 900 views. Really, that was... you know the feeling that when you're like, oh, upload this video, and the day after you wake up and you see all your notifications and you're like, whoa, I'm famous. And I had that feeling. And my views skyrocketed. And my subscribers didn't skyrocket. I have 150 subscribers right now, so that's not a lot, but still, it was pretty nice for me. And I didn't continue. After that video, I slacked a little bit. I didn't upgrade my content. I didn't make better videos, and I didn't have that momentum to build on it. So right now I'm still making videos. I try to make videos every week to get fresh content, cool content, things that I like to show you guys, and I put my passion in this. So I hope some people will share that same passion and maybe we can discuss, and you can subscribe, I can subscribe, you can like, I can like, and we're all happy then, after all. If you see all those famous people, Jake Paul, Unbox Therapy, MKBHD, Jonathan Morrison, Linus Tech Tips, of course these are all tech YouTubers besides Jake Paul, he shouldn't be in that list. Go away. Like Linus Tech Tips, he has so many subscribers. His first video was, I think, a review of a fire truck, a toy. So if you think about that, that's his first video. You don't need to make quality content to be great after a while, but it takes a while to be great. It just takes a while. And it's way more difficult to get your first 200 subscribers than to get your first million, because once you have around 1,000, 2,000 subscribers, they will keep coming every week, like 2, 3, 4 subscribers a day. And that will be very nice, and you'll have the flow and you can make videos, you'll get all those views and you'll be in the suggestions and the recommendations and stuff, and that will be very nice. But you need to get there, and the only way to get there is by making content, by making good content, by sharing your content online, showing it to your friends, showing it to your family. Of course, if you don't want to let your friends know that you make random videos or funny videos, then don't show it to them. Post it on Reddit, and maybe one day you'll have that hit video that will skyrocket you up high. If you're famous and you make one mistake, remember the Jake Paul, Logan Paul, I don't know which one it was, you can fall really, really low. So that's also something you need to take in consideration. But chances are you're probably going to be, and I just want to be clear, one of the 99% of people that's not going to be YouTube famous. That's not going to be with the elite who has 10 million subs, 5 million subs, 1 million subs. Maybe you'll have 5,000 subs once you quit YouTube and you say, oh, okay, I don't like this anymore. Maybe you'll have 200,000 subs. Who knows? Maybe you'll have 150 like me. But if you really, really want to get through on YouTube, you need to start or to continue to make videos and just enjoy what you're doing. If you don't enjoy it and you just do it to get views or to get money or to get whatever you want, then quit YouTube. I don't know, it's hard to be a small channel. I really know, I've been there, I'm still there because I have 150 subscribers. So look who's talking, and I know it's really hard if you want to be famous, but if you're just uploading your stuff, it's not really hard, is it? You're just uploading your stuff because you like making the content, you like seeing it after a week and you're like, oh yeah, I made a video, I want to see it again. Wow, that was pretty good. Okay, what can I improve? I can improve this, can I improve that? And you keep striving, and maybe one day you'll get your job out of this. When I applied for my job, I showed YouTube videos I made. I showed content I created with YouTube, and I got my job because of that. And now I have a very stable job, I earn my money, and I can still make videos and do the things that I like. So, win-win situation. Alright, but if you want to discuss the being famous on YouTube, I'll leave your comments in the comment section down below, and I'll be very glad to discuss them with you. Alright, see ya.